How to deactivate your Instagram account. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So if you want to find out how you can deactivate your Instagram account temporarily, then you just have to follow these steps. Go to your Instagram app, then go to your profile. After that, you have to click on those three lines from the right top corner, which are here. Then go to settings, the first option. Scroll down and go to help, which is here. After that, you have to go to help center and search for deactivate account and click enter. Now click on temporarily deactivate your account. After that, we have to scroll down and click on instagram.com. You will be logged in automatically. Then go here on the right bottom corner. After that, you have to click on edit profile. Then scroll down and click on temporarily deactivate my account. Then we have to scroll down and you have to select why you want to deactivate your account. You can select on this is temporary, I will be back. Then you can select if you want to automatically reactivate your account in 7 days, 6 days, or don't auto reactivate. After that, you have to enter your password. Enter your password here and then click on temporarily deactivate account. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment section down below and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. You can like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.